In this DelftStack tutorial, we'll learn how to fix incompatible drivers on Windows 11. Watch this tutorial till the end to know exactly what to do. The process is easy and simple. First, review your incompatible drivers by going to the correct system settings. Open Windows Settings, then go to Core Isolation and check it. If you cannot find Core Isolation here, go to Device Security instead. There you will see Core Isolation and Memory Integrity. Make sure you can see any listed incompatible drivers. If drivers are listed, review them carefully. Before doing anything else, make sure Windows Update is enabled and your system is fully updated. Next, we will remove the incompatible drivers and reinstall them. I will show you an easy way to do this. First, create a restore point for safety. Open Settings and search for System Restore. Select Create a Restore Point if it is turned off. Click Create, name the restore point, and confirm. Do this before removing incompatible drivers. Now go back to Windows Settings as shown earlier. Open Windows Security Settings. Go back to Core Isolation and Memory Integrity. Open the related driver files. You can now remove them using Windows Tools. Open Device Manager to continue. From the Settings homepage, search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager from the results. Click View and select Devices by Driver. If unavailable, use Devices by Connection instead. This will help you locate the problematic driver. Find the incompatible driver listed under Memory Integrity. Select the driver to view available options. You should see an option to remove or uninstall it. Choose Uninstall to remove the driver. Repeat this for all incompatible drivers. Next, open Windows Features from Settings. Search for Windows Features and open it. The Windows Features window will appear. Make sure Windows Hypervisor platform is enabled. Also enable Virtual Machine Platform. Once confirmed, you are ready to proceed. Restore your system using the restore point you created. This should fix the incompatible driver issue. See you in the next tutorial.